Hey guys, all right. I want to walk you through the blocks and that we're going to be using to program the robot to go through the maze. So I just want to take a look at a few of those things here. So I'm going to swap over to my computer screen so that you can see what we're going to be looking at here. Now, first off, I want everybody to make sure that they're looking down here at this mode switch. You need to be in upload mode. So make sure that you're down here and it says upload. When you're programming these robots, there is one button that has to be there. It has to be on top. You can't change it. You need to go to events and you need to add when the MBot starts up. It will not upload unless this button is on the table and it needs to be on the top. All right. So this is one of the most important ones. Make sure you get that one out there first. Once it's there, you never have to change it. Now, here's the deal on the other ones. The rest of them are going to be under action. So the rest of them are action buttons, and we're really going to be using only the top four. Move forward, move backwards, move left, or move right. So I'm going to bring these out for our program, and you can see how they hook in to our program. All right, now I'm going to try and explain these a little bit for you. So this one has to be there. Now move forward at 50% power. The robot will run from 0 to 100% on power. The standard is 50%, and I would suggest starting there for everything that you do. If you want to go slower, that's fine, but I don't think I would go faster. It's not going to help you any, and the robot will have more difficult time staying on the track. And then the time tells you how long it's going to move. Now, notice there's no distance in here. So 50% power for 1 second could go 1 meter, it could go 2 meters. That's something you're going to have to test and find out. And then you're going to, as part of your programming, you're going to have to adjust these to get, and I would adjust the time if I were you. You need to adjust these to get your robot to go down the track. Now, the second one, this is move forward. It'll move straight. Move backwards should move straight backwards. It does the same thing as forwards. The other two are turn left and turn right. And again, it's the same thing. You want it to go at 50% power, but how far does it turn for 1 second? If you need it to turn a right angle, a right corner, 1 second may not be the right time. You're going to have to test it to find out what time works the best. Now, left and right is very simple. If you're standing behind the robot and it's on the floor in front of you, your left is its left, your right is its right. And these are really the programs that you got to do. So you may have to move forward for 1 second, and then the maze might tell you to turn right, and then you might have to go forwards again, and then you may have to turn left, and then I may say you need to back it up a little bit, and then you need to turn right. You see what I'm going? You have to build this. Now, I would suggest one at a time. I would suggest programming move the first forward. When it gets to that spot and you have it perfect, then you add the turn right until you've got it moving forward and turning right every time. Always start from the start line. And basically, these are the buttons that you're going to use for this programming. There are other things on here, and if you feel advanced enough to handle those, you by all means can dig in and beef it up a little bit. But the required buttons are those 5 buttons. When the MBot starts up, and move forward, move backwards, turn left, turn right. That is the expectation for the project. If you go above and beyond, that is awesome. But we do want it to be able to go through the maze without touching the tape. All right. Hopefully this helps. Again, if you have questions, come find me back at my desk or floating around the room. Have a great day, and we will talk to you later.